Wow.
Tired of messy wires and cluttered spaces? We've got the ultimate solution for you. Introducing our multifunctional TV unit where style meets smart storage. Say goodbye to cable chaos with our hidden wire system, clean, sleek, and stress-free. Keep your footwear organized and out of sight with smooth sliding shoe trays. Plus, spacious cupboards for all your essentials because clutter has no place in your dream living room. Transform your space with a TV unit that's as functional as it is beautiful. Ready to upgrade? DM us to customize your perfect unit today. Your living room just got a major upgrade where style meets practicality.